Hey guys, I was online looking for a stainless steel rice cooker. I like to do a lot of cooking at home, but sometimes, if you're in a rush, it's nothing like being able to throw everything into the pressure cooker and being able to leave it and come back home after work and it's all done. And so I've been looking online on Google, and I came across a really nice one that's actually online at Target. And so I was making this video just to share it with you guys. Um, I like to throw in like, rice. Sometimes you can throw in chicken. You can throw in just about anything that you want to do and just leave it, and when you come back, everything is all done. And I really like this one right here. It's an Instant Pot Duo, 6 quart, 7-in-1 pressure cooker. I found this one online, and it's really, really nice. It is stainless steel. It's very, very durable, as you can see right here, imaged. Um, One of the things that I wanted to mention about it is how easy it is to clean it. It's not dishwasher safe, so you can't clean it in a dishwasher. I know, like with some pressure cookers or um, rice cookers, you can dismantle it and put it inside of the dishwasher, but this one is not for that. You can't put it in there. It's actually recommended to clean it by hand, and so that's typically what I do anyway. But that's one of the things that I found out about this particular pressure cooker that I wanted to mention to you guys. In the event you want to purchase it today, this one is very nice. It's a really nice deal on it. There are some other pressure cookers from Target online that you can buy today. They all come with free shipping itself. If you prefer like stainless steel for the material and it's long lasting, there are some other stainless steel pressure cookers that they have below right here. And so what I'm going to do is just leave a link for you guys right below. It's the very link that I found online to get, this pressure cooker. You may not get this one. Maybe there's another one that's probably, less expensive. Just get, whatever you feel that's best for you. But I really like this one because, again, with all the features that come with it, it's very, very lightweight, and you can cook just about anything that you want to, cook in it or prepare in it very fast. My wife likes to make, chilies and stuff like that. And so, I mean, there's a setting obviously for that. I don't typically do a lot of stews, but sometimes we'll put like ground beef, cook it in there. You can cook, I mean, just about anything you want to inside of this Instapot, and it does it really, really fast. And so we've even cooked beans in it from scratch. So obviously the beans are hard, when versus like having to like soak them like overnight and doing that kind of deal. I mean, you can throw the beans right inside of this Instapot and it cooks them very fast. And so, again, this is a really, really nice pressure cooker or rice cooker, if you will. I mean, not only for rice, we eat rice every day, with our meals, be it with chicken, beef, whatever. I mean, we have rice probably 4 times out of the week. And so it's nothing better than having a rice cooker to, cook things, really fast and make, meals in record time. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys. I mean, I love Target. I like, getting stuff from Target. If you're looking for a quality pressure cooker to, cook meals really quick, even if you're at work, I think this is an ideal, buy. So anyway, it does have free shipping, as I mentioned before. They do have a money back guarantee, as with all Target items. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with you guys because it's definitely a really good buy for you to take advantage of today. I'm going to leave a link below for you guys that you can use to get your very own pressure cooker, be it this one or some other deals that you may find online. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and have a wonderful day.